welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to bake. So this is the new episode in my channel. So this I will call cheyennevaxx. So for today, we are going to bake banana bread. So without further ado, let's start. For our wet ingredients, we have here 4 overripe saging na saba, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 large eggs, 1.5 sticks of butter, but I have margarine as a substitute. Then for our dry ingredients, we have 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1.5 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 cup of sugar. Okay guys, so let's start. So the first thing that you will do is to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, or it is also equivalent to 170 degrees Celsius. So we will start first with our dry ingredients. So we will combine the flour, the baking soda, hi mom, the salt. Okay, then we will just set this aside. Okay, so the next step, we will combine the bananas and the sugar. Then we're going to whisk it, but I have no whisks. Then after that, we will add the margarine, the eggs, and the vanilla. Then we will beat it again. Okay, so now we will add in our wet ingredients and dry ingredients. So once na lagay na natin yung wet ingredients and dry ingredients, we will now combine it and mix it until it is well incorporated. Now we are done. So this is the consistency that we are looking for. Now we will just grease our pan with some margarine so that it will not stick later. By the way, I have no baking pan with me, so I just use this aluminum pan. Okay, so now we will divide this one into 2 pans because wala lang. Now we will just flatten it. Okay guys, so we are already done. So this is what our uncooked banana bread looks like. So now let us put this in the oven. And we will just wait for 1 hour and 15 minutes. So see you later. Again guys, I am not a professional baker, so if I have done something wrong, just comment down below so that I will know. And by the way, I already did this recipe twice and it turned out really good when I first tried it. So if you want also to make this recipe, I will link it down below so that you can also do this at your own home. So yeah, so we will just wait for 1 hour and 15 minutes. So huwag nyo rin kalimutan to clean afterwards. So we will just wash the dishes. So para hindi tayo papagalitan ng mga sila. Guys, 48 minutes more to go, and look at our banana cake. But i-off na namin yung oven and we will just leave it for around 15 minutes. Okay, so now we will test if this banana bread. So, Shanang! Oh my gosh! Sure. Whoa! Look at that! It smells so good. So guys, I just made a legit banana bread. If you want to try out again this recipe, I will link it down below. So yeah, so that's it for today's video. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you did like it and subscribe to my channel. Yeah!
I don't wanna see you cry. You don't have to feel this empty